This new AI tool automatically converts your text into visual graphics in a matter of seconds. Just paste your text and one click to convert it into AI-generated graphical illustrations. And there are tons of ways you can use these AI graphics. For example, you can use them on your website, presentation slides, PDF documents, research papers, emails, social media posts, explainer videos, and much more. Consider how much time would this save. Instead of manually spending hours finding and downloading the images, wouldn't it be nice to do this in just a few minutes? Right now, this AI tool is in beta phase and it is completely free to use. So let's go ahead and explore the features of this AI graphic tool. First of all, you want to sign up for a free account, and once you're signed in, click this create button and you will see these two options: paste your content or generate with AI. I'm gonna choose this paste my text option, and then I'm gonna paste my text here, which is basically the workflow steps for my print on demand business. But in your case, this could be anything you want to explain to your audience. I'm gonna cut this heading and paste it here in place of the title, and then I'm gonna highlight all this text and click this little blue colored lightning bolt here. And within a matter of seconds, you will have a visual representation ready with a lot of different styles to choose from. For example, we've got this process funnel style, ladder style, hierarchy style, circles with the arrows, and more. So let's just say I like this style here. I can click into styles and I can click on any one that I like. So let's just choose this one here, and now I've got this amazing AI generated graphic that represents my print on demand workflow. Now we can go ahead and edit it as we like. For example, I want to add a new element to this diagram, so I'll just click this plus sign here and type in whatever I want. For example, niche research. Then click on this text and hover your cursor on this blue bold sign to see AI generated graphic suggestions to represent this text. Let's select this graphic, and then I can click here to change its color. Likewise, I can click this minus sign to delete an element I don't want in my image. And I don't like this graphic here, so I'm just gonna hover my cursor on this blue button and replace this with any of these AI generated graphic options available. And so on, you can customize this diagram however you like. Now let's move on and explore some other things that we can do to make these graphics stand out. So I'm gonna select this heading and drag it to reposition in the center. I'm gonna make this heading bold and increase its size to XL, and I can click here to add this bubble layout in the background as well. Another cool feature of this AI tool is that, let's say you can find out a suitable graphic from those suggestions here. So click down here on this Spark search option and type in the name of graphic you want, and the AI will give you a lot of options to choose from. Choose any one you like, delete the existing graphic and replace it with a new graphic. And once you're happy with your design, just select the entire diagram like this and click here to download this image as a PNG, SVG or a PDF file. So until now, we have generated an overview of the workflow steps, but ideally there would be further sub-steps involved within these main steps. So let's say I want to create a separate graphic for the step 1, which is idea generation, and explain the sub-steps involved in generating design ideas for my print-on-demand workflow. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it down here. Highlight this text and click here to turn this into a heading. And I'm gonna write some sub-steps here, such as Google keywords, Amazon keywords, Etsy keywords, top selling designs, and famous artists. Now simply select all the text and click this bold button to generate a separate graphic for these specific sub-steps. I like this style, so I'll click here to place this in my document. And just like we did in previous steps, we can change heading, replace the graphics we don't want using this Spark search option, and put this diagram inside a boxed background just like that. And once you're done with your designs, press Ctrl P, and now you can export this entire document as a single continuous page A4 size PDF or a US letter size PDF. And finally, let's explore another cool feature of this AI tool, without which I don't think this video would be complete. So until now, we have been typing or pasting our text manually. But let's assume that I want to start a print-on-demand business and I want to create a process flow or a strategy to create and sell, for example, t-shirts, but I don't have any idea about it. So let's click this plus sign here, and this time I'm gonna choose draft with AI. In the prompt box, I'm gonna write strategy to create and sell trending t-shirt designs for my print-on-demand business and click continue. And look at that, in a matter of seconds, AI has generated a complete strategy in the form of an article with proper headings, subheadings, and explanation of each step with bullet points. Now I can come here, for example, on step 1.1, select all of this text, then click this button to generate the graphics and place them underneath this text, which will make it really easy to understand and explain this concept with supporting visual graphics. Likewise, I can generate graphics for step 1.2 and so on. I can continue generating my graphics for each of these steps. And even for this random text, the AI can understand the overall context and automatically generates the graphics to represent the entire strategy in a single diagram. You can even amend or add to this text and regenerate these graphics again if you want to. And once you're done with your document, you can click this share button, add emails, and share this with your team members, or you can copy a link from here to share this document with whoever you want to. So that's all about this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and share this to help me spread out the word, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to learn and explore all the new AI tools.